The following content is a technical analysis on Carnival Corporation, a company of the consumer cyclical sector and leisure here off the hourly interval. We are very zoomed in on a very active and or near-term trading range, whereas we have this primary uptrend line right off the late April reactionary lows, multiple reactionary lows to help string this validation with confirmed negative and bearish divergences that have established and constructed amongst all three technical momentum indicators. And I believe we've met a crucial crossroad with an established fundamental potential catalyst on a snap of this gap support coinciding with the 50 exponential hourly moving average, a primary uptrend line, and the 1087 price support. If we lock in a nice solid hourly candle close below, I believe it would issue a high probability of a sell signal and some moves down to that first 618 Fibonacci retracement at that 1034 price support for a 5.3% drop, down to $9.96 for a 9.3% crash, down to the 382 Fibs retracement at 955 price support for a 12.9% crash, call it a 13% crash, and ultimately down to the 922 236 Fibs retracement at that for a 16% crash. And if we start to eke out that especially that support 955, I would suspect would be a ton of stops, technical stops down below, where technical traders would start to pull out, whereas you would gear up in a more higher leverage trade for a big move to the downside if and when we get there. Bull traders, long traders, they want to defend this key inflection point really at all costs and continue this upward trend, near-term upward trend, and eke out, burn out these negative and bearish divergences in a move upward and a continued direction to the upside. I'll zoom out here on the daily interval, and here we are. We're honestly gives me that inverse head and shoulder looking a bottom fill. The 1% Fibs retracement ought to take out those negative bearish divergences on a move to the 1618 Fibs retracement there, which I would suspect would be a nice, clean, powerful move to the upside. As far as the near term goes, though, some of these every indication is looking bearish in the near term for a sustained, prolonged selling to the downside if and when we patiently wait for a solid hourly candle close below.